Faceless YouTube channels are changing how people in Kenya make money online. In the past, many people believed that to succeed on YouTube, you had to show your face, have expensive cameras, and live a flashy lifestyle. Today, that is no longer true. Many successful creators are earning good income without ever appearing on screen. This has opened the door for thousands of Kenyans who want to work online but prefer privacy or do not have expensive equipment. A faceless YouTube channel simply means a channel where the creator does not show their face. Instead, they use voice recordings, animations, stock videos, screen recordings, or even text on screen. This makes it easier for beginners to start. You can work from your house, a small office, or even a quiet corner with your phone or laptop. In Kenya, the cost of starting a business can be high. Renting space, buying stock, and paying licenses can cost tens of thousands of Kenyan shillings. But with a faceless YouTube channel, you can start with as little as 2,000 Kenyan shillings. If you already have a smartphone and internet connection, you are almost ready to begin. This low cost is one of the biggest reasons why many young people are turning to YouTube. One important thing to understand is how money is made on YouTube. Many people think it is only through ads, but there are several ways to earn. The most common way is through the YouTube Partner Program. To qualify, your channel needs at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within 1 year. Once approved, YouTube places ads on your videos, and you earn money based on views and engagement. In Kenya, this income is usually paid in dollars, which is a big advantage because of the exchange rate. Another way to make money is through affiliate marketing. This means you promote a product or service and earn a commission for every sale made through your link. For example, you can promote online tools, courses, or even physical products. Many faceless channels use this method because it does not require you to create your own product. Sponsorships are also a strong source of income. As your channel grows, companies may approach you to promote their products. Even small channels in Kenya can earn between 10,000 and 50,000 Kenyan shillings per sponsored video, depending on their audience. Larger channels can earn much more. Selling digital products is another powerful method. You can create an ebook, a guide, or templates and sell them to your viewers. For example, if your channel is about making money online, you can sell a simple guide on how to start a side hustle in Kenya. This allows you to earn even when you are not uploading videos. There are many types of faceless YouTube channels that work well in Kenya. One of the most popular is educational content. This includes videos that teach people about business, money, technology, or skills. Many Kenyans are searching for ways to improve their lives, and they turn to YouTube for answers. If you can explain things in a simple way, you can build a strong audience. Another popular idea is news and trending topics. People want to stay updated on what is happening in Kenya and around the world. You can create videos that summarize news stories using voiceovers and simple visuals. The key here is to be consistent and upload quickly when news breaks. Relaxation and meditation channels are also growing fast. These channels upload videos with calming music, rain sounds, or nature scenes. They may seem simple, but they attract a global audience. Because the videos are usually long, they generate more watch time, which increases earnings. Storytelling channels are also very powerful. You can share real-life stories, motivational stories, or even traditional African stories. People love stories, and if you tell them in an engaging way, they will keep coming back for more. You can use simple images, background music, and voice narration. Business and side hustle content is especially strong in Kenya. Many people are looking for ways to earn extra income. If you create videos about small business ideas, online jobs, or ways to save money, you will attract a large audience. This niche also pays higher advertising rates, which means more income. Gaming is another option, especially among young people. You do not need to show your face. You can record gameplay and add commentary or text. Mobile games are very popular in Kenya, so you do not even need an expensive gaming computer to start. Product review channels are also effective. You can create videos that review phones, laptops, or everyday items. Many people search online before buying something. If you provide honest reviews, you can build trust and earn through affiliate links. To succeed with a faceless YouTube channel, you need the right tools. For video editing, you can use free apps like CapCut or more advanced software if you can afford it. For voiceovers, you can use your own voice or use artificial intelligence tools that generate natural-sounding voices. For visuals, you can download free videos and images from websites that offer stock content. The cost of running a channel in Kenya is manageable. Internet is one of the main expenses, which can cost between 2,000 and 5,000 Kenyan shillings per month. Some tools may require payment, but many have free versions. If you decide to invest more, you can upgrade your equipment over time. Starting a channel requires a clear plan. First, choose a niche that you understand or are willing to learn. This helps you stay consistent. Next, research what people are searching for. You can use tools that show trending topics. Then create simple scripts for your videos. This helps you stay organized and deliver value. When creating videos, focus on quality. You do not need perfect videos, but they should be clear and easy to understand. After creating your video, upload it with a strong title, description, and tags. These help people find your content. Consistency is very important. Many people fail because they upload a few videos and stop. You should aim to upload at least 2 or 3 videos every week. Over time, your channel will grow. Search engine optimization is also important. This means using the right keywords so that your videos appear in search results. For example, instead of a general title, use something specific like "How to Make Money Online in Kenya." This makes it easier for your target audience to find you. There are also common mistakes to avoid. One is copying content from other creators. This can lead to your videos being removed or your channel being demonetized. Another mistake is uploading poor quality videos. Even simple videos should be clear and easy to watch. Patience is very important. Many successful channels took months or even years to grow. You may not see results immediately, but if you stay consistent, you will improve over time. Faceless YouTube channels offer a real opportunity for people in Kenya. They remove many barriers and allow anyone with determination to start. With low costs, flexible working conditions, and the ability to earn in foreign currency, this is one of the best online opportunities available today. If you are serious and willing to learn, you can build a channel that earns you a steady income. It may start small, but with time and effort, it can grow into something big. The key is to start, stay consistent, and always focus on giving value to your audience.